Yeah, hello guys. Yeah, I haven't done a movie or YouTube video in forever, and figured might as well do one. I'd be surprised if anybody's even watching these videos. Yeah. Hopefully one day I'm big enough that you guys look back and be like, dang. But yep, here I am now, and as you can see, I'm waiting for my game to load. The song at the beginning was by CeeLo Green, who was called Run Run Rudolph. Yep. So I think I'm just gonna pause. I absolutely hate when people spend forever on this. So yeah, I'll just wait for it to load. Peace. Yeah, I'm back for you. It's been like a nanosecond, but for me, it's been about half an hour, 45 minutes waiting for the game to load. So let's connect. I swear to God, if it crashes while I'm logged in. Alright, so how does it feel that I've wasted about a minute of your life now? Yeah, that 20 minute you'll never get back. Well, guess what? It's about half an hour, 45 minutes, and I'll never get back. Alright, let's see here. Combat car? What the heck? Alright, so, yeah, I don't really know what to do here. My friend told me not to do a Let's Play on anything, but, yeah, whatever. I'm gonna take the, T-46 light tank, one of my favorite tanks. I believe it's, Russian, I believe. I'll check after. Okay, Prokhorovka. Whatever the heck that means. Let's see who we're going up against. Pagumahani. Don't remember that. RC. Black. Ooh. Yes, we're back. Wait. What's the little red thing in the corner? Ooh, just let you know, guys, I haven't played this in a long time. Fuzzy Bottoms? Really? Just look on the side. Fuzzy Bottoms. He's in a T-18. Really? Fuzzy Bottoms. Alright, just figure out a war strategy. I'm gonna up this street. I'm gonna make a sharp turn. Up the street. Go, 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 go. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I'm probably gonna die in like 5 seconds. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, trees, move out of the way. Same GTA 5, the trees get in the way. No, get out of the way. All right, I was gonna wait here. I know from experience it's gonna be tanks all over this place. Maybe I should move over there. Halfway across the field. Nope, can't get him. Alright, back to where I am. I'm just gonna move on in. Oh, fuck. Lag! Dang it, lag! No, you dying today. Ah, dang it. See, I told you guys I'd die in a few seconds. Alright, yeah, I'll just load up and... Actually, right now. I was gonna load up. But, you know what? I'm curious to see the exact specs of that one. That was the T-46 light tank. Probably my favorite tank. Not very good in it. Yeah, it's Russian, by the looks of it. This is the one after it. Look how small that cannon is. The original one that was originally fixed on it was smaller. Kind of ridiculous. How am I doing this? I'm gonna go to probably one of my favorites. One of them. Which one do I want to take? Actually, you know what? This is again one of my favorites. One of my favorite SPGs. Just because I like, just sitting back and blowing people up. It's quite fun. As you can see, I don't have a lot of money. I spent a lot of it. Standard account with 300 gold. I haven't spent any original stuff. 923 free experience. My account is Zagic1234. If you know, if you've ever seen me, okay, that's that guy. Then again, you probably won't even see these videos. But still, whatever. I'm trying to put myself out there. Try to get around. You know. Actually, what? Well, let me read it reload. There's a guy, I believe it's the GMX Hero. He's one of my good friends. He's right now doing a lot of GTA 5 sort of things. That's Grand Theft Auto friend if you don't know. Yeah, if you want to check him out after, or if you were sent by him, you have to say thanks. Yeah, that's all I really gotta say. Is check him out, see if I like his material. Alright, let's do this. To the very back corner of this map we go. I'm gonna bada your bread. Okay. Don't even want to know what goes on in his head. Maybe just bedaing some people, But, alright, now that we know what some people in this game do for enjoyment, let's go into sniping view. The complete noobs. Alright. You got target. Sighted. Yeah, target sighted. Zoom in on him. Okay, I was gonna go another guy. He's gonna be dead in a matter of like 5 seconds. Another guy. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Just so you guys, the smaller the circles are on him, the more precise the shot is. That's why I'm waiting. Pew! Fire! Aw, oh, dang, didn't we get close to where he was. Alright. This guy's being a noob. Heavenly shot. Ah, oh, dang it, he moved. I hate when people do that. This guy doesn't look like he was going nowhere. I don't think he's fired a shot. Boom, chakala.
Enemy harbor is destroyed.
Yeah, I got him. Gotcha, bitch. Start to set it up here. Okay, let's go down here. Dark Knight. The guy's back. Put the squares are. Yeah, whatever. Back to the game, back to the game, back to the game. I'm gonna go on to I am motor. Base capture, bitch. God damn it, no. Okay, you know what? Boom, chakala. Not even close. Oh, well, there's no luck of me possibly getting one of them.
The main gun is damaged. We can't.
Who's shooting me? God dang it. Star. Well, good to know you don't like swearing. Alright, back to garage. Alright. Yeah. I'll tell you one more minute left in the video. For this minute, I guess I'll bring this thing out. This is another Russian tank. This is the tank destroyer. The Su-76. I'm not really good with it. Just it's small amount of movability for its gun. Right after this battle, I'll end it. Snap page. Chicken butt 123 EOS. No problems there, my friend. Let's see what's on the other team. Scoop man. Kid Squid. Biscuito. I'm gonna be an idiot. Yeah, I'm kind of hoping this actually kind of quickly, so yeah, I'm just gonna dun 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 dun. Just randomly fire again, you know. Oh, that's what the writing on the left is. It's like a count clock. How long it will take for your weapon to reload. It was at 321 after I shoot it. Then if I shoot it, see how it counts down? Yeah, that comes in handy. So how close I am to the next shot. 3 and 21. 3 seconds and 21 hundredths, I believe that's what it says. Oh. Dun 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 dun. We just letting you guys know I pretty much did some battles with this. Try to put my suspension. That's one of the first things I do. I try to put a better motor in it, better gun, better suspension. So I sometimes have time a better radio. It helps. All right, battle overview. Hey, look, this Scoop Man. He's my #1 target. Scoop Man. Yeah. Scoop Man. Who's shooting my friend? Whoever shoot my friend better get a bullet in their face. Or you know, they can just put a bullet in my face. That's cool. Alright, guys, this has been oh god. Sulg Ode Nathnage. Yes, I picked one of the most confusing YouTube names absolutely ever. I enjoyed you, well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, check my friend out, the GMX Hero. I might leave a link in the description below. I don't know, see if I can figure that out. Fairly new to this YouTube thing. And, yeah, just tell me what you want me to do. Like, dislike, comment on what you think I should do. Subscribe, maybe, if you want. Note all those animal jams are from my cousin. She absolutely insists on randomly making videos that no one's ever gonna watch. Unless that's your thing. Alright, thank you. Have a good time. And, ta-da!